Hello everyone. This is the third part of our 3D plant creation journey. For those who are new, please subscribe and stay modeling. At this point, we will do some more edits to our mesh. First, we are going to duplicate this leaf twice to make another one for other image texture. We would like to have 3 variations of leaves through using 3 different textures. To duplicate, hit Shift plus D in your keyboard. And now we switch to not this workspace, but the shading workspace. Again, we will drag an image from the file browser to the shader editor and plug it to the base color of the material. After this, we'll switch to the UV editing workspace to edit the UV by scaling and moving it. We'll do the same process for the other leaves, so let's move fast. Now we have our 3 leaves textured differently. Let me switch to modeling workspace before we move on. At this part, we will be placing the origin of each of these leaves into its base. Select one leaf, hit Tab, click Edit Mode, select the vertices at its base, hit Alt S in your keyboard, and then select Cursor to Selected. Now hit Tab again, select Object Mode, right click on the same leaf, go to Set Origin to 3D Cursor. Do this for the other leaves. This time, we will be creating the plant using these leaves. In doing so, we will be selecting each of these leaves, move them to the center, and rotate them. To create more leaves aside from these 3, we have to duplicate any of them and then position them carefully until we lined up along the Z-axis. Of course, we have to rotate the view to get the best angle in creating the plant. Remember that we are just going to use duplicate, move, rotate, and scale to achieve our goal of creating an ornamental plant. Now we have our plant. Let us now create the vase. First, we have to move our plant up along the Z-axis. Then, we will add a cylinder for our vase. We'll go now to Edit Mode, Face Select, and select the faces above or at the top of the cylinder. Let us hide the plant first. Now, Click I on your keyboard to create an inset. Hit E to extrude and move it inside the cylinder. We will delete this part because it is ingone. Select all the vertices of this part. If all are selected, go to Face or hit Ctrl F on your keyboard, then select Grid Fill. We'll do the same process at the bottom to eliminate ingones. But let us first scale it to imitate the shape of a vase. At this point, we will add the material of the vase. We will be separating the material for the soil with brownish color, so we will create a multiple material here. At last, we have our plant. Remember, we used the raw image for the leaves. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.